Who bought Bitcoin cryptocurrency for $1.5 billion worth? Tesla. Dash has become the first US state to proclaim February 5 as Kashmir American Day after adopting a resolution on Feb 3. New York. The World Health Organization has acknowledged the Dash among the world's healthiest cities. Holy City of Medina. Israel opens first embassy in the United Arab Emirates on 24 January 2021. The World Health Organization and makers of the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus vaccine announced that they are ready to provide up to -million initial doses to poorer countries through the COVAX facility. 40 million. Who is the 46th and current president of USA? Joe Biden. Dash became the first woman, first black American and first person of Asian heritage to be appointed as Vice President of USA. Kamala Harris. World's biggest COVID-19 vaccination drive began in India. The members of a Dash climbing team who made history at the weekend by becoming the first to scale the world's second highest mountain, Pakistan's K2 in winters. Nepali. Saudi Arabia and allies restore diplomatic ties with Qatar after Dash years. 3 years. Which country president has signed a bill that will grant lifetime immunity to former presidents? Russia. UFC fighter Dash has been voted BBC Sports Personalities World Sports Star of the Year 2020. Khabib Nurmagomedov. The audit on plastic trash around the world conducted by Break Free from Plastic concluded that Dash was the largest plastic polluter. Coca-Cola. Dash has given regulatory approval for the world's first lab-grown chicken meat. Singapore. Dash has become the first country in the world to start administrating its citizens with a fully trialed and tested COVID-19 vaccine. United Kingdom. World Economic Forum commemorate Pakistan's COVID-19 success on November 25, 2020. Dash Asia Pacific countries sign world's largest free trade deal in the annual summit of the 10-Nation Association of Southeast Asian Nations. 15 Asia Pacific countries. 20th Shanghai Cooperation Organization Council of Heads of State being held on 10th November 2020. Video conference format. Current New Zealand Prime Minister who is re-elected for second term, Jacinda Ardern, who became Emir of Kuwait after the death of Sabah Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah, Kuwait's Emir Sheikh Nawaf Al-Ahmed Al-Sabah.